What is Screencast? Screencast is a video recording of your computer or cell phone screen, and usually includes audio. Also referred to as video screen capture, and is a great way to teach or share ideas. Note the following when doing a screencast. Notifications. Loop video. Going live online. And audio or sound. Turn off all notifications. Turn on the Do Not Disturb from your phone's settings. If you don't do this, your phone calls, messages and notifications can be seen by the viewers. Loop video. Turn on the loop video mode from your phone settings, see link in the description box for more details. This will make your video automatically restart from the beginning, without tapping the play button again. Going live online. Before you tap the go live, make sure that your video is already playing on your phone. This is to avoid showing to your viewers some private matters on your screen. Always protect your privacy. Your audio is on. Note that all the sounds around you or on your phone is being recorded. Do not talk sensitive and confidential matters near your phone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and click the notification bell button for updates.